Hi everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can publish an Instagram story without losing quality. Please, friends, don't forget to put likes under this video. Be sure to write comments after watching and also subscribe to our channel. So friends, let us get down to the topic. Please open up the Instagram app on your device. You will need to navigate to your page. Next, on the top right, click on the three bars to go to Settings. Here you can see the search bar. Tap on it and select Quality here. Click now on Media Quality. And you'll need to make sure or turn on this second option here, is download or play in high quality. And because you turned that on, the quality of your videos as well as your photos when you post your Instagram stories, it will not degrade. In this very simple and quick way, you can easily publish your story on Instagram without losing quality. I hope you found this video useful and helpful. Don't forget to write comments, put likes, and also subscribe to the channel. Take care.